The sun has risen over the bamboo grove. Time to get to work on the farm I love.
They came right up to the tractor, Captain. The whole cabbage patch is gone.
All right, we'll look into it.
We only get one shot with this net. Aim for the rear axle.
Understood. You're under arrest, orangutan! Drop the fruit! It's over, orangutan! You're coming with me! Let go of me, you overgrown teddy bear! Launching on!
Oh, the sun is high and the apples are red. Time to get this harvest moving ahead.
Here it is, Captain. Freshly made today.
Thank you, Golden Monkey.
Woohoo! Make sure you like and subscribe.
That's a great shot!
Hello, Captain Panda. We have a big problem here on the main road. A huge tree fell and there's a sinkhole. We need your help right away.
Hey there, little guy. Need a lift out of this snow?
Mechanic Monkey, you made it just in time.
Hey!
Stop, Uncle! Look out for the sinkhole!
Oh, thank you, thank you. You're very welcome, Uncle. I'm just glad you're safe.
Get away from my vegetables right now! Go on, get! Shoo, shoo, shoo!